Flight Over the Falls returns to Great Falls on July 23rd and 24th. We're celebrating 75 years of the Air Force and the Montana Air National Guard. It has a rich history here in Great Falls. You'll get to experience all kinds of aircraft flying in with spectacular shows and a unique opportunity to come onto base.
Flight Over the Falls is a celebration of 75 years of Montana military presence, history, and accomplishments.
The military open house and celebration includes 2 packed days of high-flying action, displays along the flight line, presentations, and more.
Between 9 o'clock in the morning and 11 o'clock, they'll get a chance to walk around and see the different aircraft, such as this C-130 right here. And we have various other aircraft, the F-15s, F-35s. We have the KC-46, KC-135.
Opening ceremonies happen just before 11 o'clock with aerial demonstrations continuing until 3:30.
They're going to see everything from Kent Peach and his Jelly Belly trying to land on top of a Winnebago, and to the United States Air Force Thunderbirds doing their precision aerobatics.
Food and beverages will be available for purchase, and you can cool off with a special Flight Over the Falls brew.
It'll be Montana 515 Blonde. It's a special blonde ale that's come and brewed just for us for this open house in commemorative cans.
Between 80 and 100,000 people are expected to take in Flight Over the Falls. So let's talk logistics. Public parking opens at 8 a.m. Gates are open from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m.
Parking will be a patience game, so that's why we're opening early, encouraging folks to beat the traffic early. We're also staying open later on the ramp, so the ramp's open till 5, even though flying's done at 3:30. Lots of stuff to do between 3:30 and 5.
Parking area entrances are along the frontage road across from the sheriff's office and next to I-State Trucking. Those traveling north to Great Falls on I-15 will need to get off at the Ulm exit and take the frontage road to the parking entrances. Transportation will be available from the parking area to the flight line.
We'll have a bus or two doing the constant left turn of the NASCAR race as they go around the parking area, picking folks up and dropping them off at security.
Bring water, sun protection, and ear protection, but leave your weapons, marijuana, and pets at home. For everyone's safety, be ready to have your vehicle searched when you arrive. The event is free. It's free to park as well. We have all the details and logistics at visitgreatfallsmontana.org. We'll see you here soon for Flight Over the Falls.